I'm bringing these shoes with me to Jamaica. Show you, I got these things. Got these things put in this special box. And I have not worn these shoes since being on the set of Fast. Furious 7. I have not put these shoes on since Furious 7. I'm going to show y'all the picture in a second. I started wearing these shoes because of Paul. Now, if you know what I know, when you from the hood, you normally wear the all-star Chucks that go all the way half up your ankle. But I've not worn these shoes since I seen my brother on the set of Furious 7. On my way to Jamaica, baby. We doing this in the spirit of our brother. The Paul Walker Foundation in itself is ran by his daughter, Meadow Walker. Paul Walker Foundation is ran by the family, Meadow Walker. Reach out worldwide. Cody Walker